What's good everybody, is your boy David again. So magre-react tayo ngayon kay Zephanie Di Mararan. So may nakita ko sa recommended videos ko na tab on my YouTube channel, and she performed or sings Through the Fire sa kanyang birthday. So this is part of her birthday production, and I was really interested, and sabi ko let's watch this and make reaction instead, no? Para nun makita nyo yung reaction ko, because this is the first time that I'm going to hear her sing Through the Fire, and alam naman natin this is an iconic song, a classic one, and it's not for everyone to sing kasi alam naman natin that it requires a certain kind of style, range, and vocal prowess for you to sing this song. Okay, so yeah, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Oh, but wait. You can follow me on my Facebook and TikTok and on Instagram if you want more reaction videos. And also, if bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe. Okay? So, let's go. Parang intro sa ano, yung kanta ng Mulawin dati, Ikaw Nga.
I look in your eyes and I can see you've loved so dangerously.
Ang sexy naman ng pasok nun.
You're not trusting your heart to anyone. You tell me you're gonna play it smart. We're through before we start, but I believe that we've only just begun. When it's this good, there's no saying no.
Galing naman ng mga violin. Uy, galing na note na yun, oh.
I want you so I'm ready to go through the fire.
Ganda ng bassline dun, ah.
Limit to the world.
Haha.
For a chance to be with you, I'll gladly
I love this orchestra version.
through the fire, through whatever come what may. For a chance to live with you, I'll take it all the way. Right down to the wire, even through.
Nice. I love this version. Eh, pinasukan ng ano, parang naging EDM.
And I can help if you only let me try.
R&B agad.
You touch me and something in me new.
Woo!
What I could have with you. No, kiss goodbye.
Okay, I have to pause. Just let me say this. I didn't see that coming, no? I did not expect that. No, may ganun, may pa-drop na EDM tapos biglang nag R&B, 'di ba? Because they started it with so mellow, very sexy, very yung delivery is, yung ano talaga, heartfelt na medyo talaga, very love song yung atake, yung parang ganun. Tapos biglang nag R&B with that, nag-switch sila ng vibe, no, ng genre, and it was actually impressive. I did not really expect that. Nice one.
When it's this sweet, there's no saying no.
And ang galing ng orchestra, galing nila.
Need yourself, I'm ready to go through the fire, to the limit, to the world. For a chance to be with you, I'm gladly risk it all. Through the
Galing talaga nung strings, oh. Binali niya. Woo! ah, well, impressive, no? From the arrangement to her delivery. No, may binali siya doon. Parang hindi niya may hindi siya kinuha doon na binali niya. So, still kahit hindi niya yun binelt out, parang binali niya lang. Ang kagandahan doon, this simply shows us, no? Makinig kayo if singer kayo. Kasi lalo na kapag you're still aspiring to be on TV, no? Gusto niyo sumikat as singer. But always remember this, no? Do not sing something that you cannot. Okay? I'm not saying na hindi niya kaya yon, but always choose your battles, okay? Pagdating sa kantahan, no? If you can simplify it and still sing it beautifully and wonderfully, just do that instead. No, wag nating ipilit yung medyo alanganin tayo, okay? Kasi maraming singers can, taking risks is something na admirable, but you have to be wise in taking risks. And if it's possible na you do it na in a simplified manner, no? Katulad ng ginawa ni Zephanie, no, sa part na 'yon. Alam niyo yung ibig kong sabihin na part, 'di ba? So just do it that way, okay? But still, she was able to showcase her vocals, the power behind her voice, no? Yung ano niya, yung clarity ng boses. She was still able to do that, no? And impressive pa rin. And again, do it properly. ganun lang, no? And nice one. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.